Welcome to my earnings section. These are the markets. This is the amount the exchange has already paid you in commissions. This is the collateral deposit requirement to be paid by the broker. You can click here to check Paybito Pro trading fees. These are the trading fees. Here is the daily limit. Here are the deposit and withdrawal fees. Here you can check futures lending, borrowing and transaction charges. Here you can check options lending, borrowing and transaction charges. Here are the collateral deposits. This is the total trading volume by broker. This is the total fees charged by exchange to broker users. This is the commission earned by broker. Click here to check your commission percentage menu. We have a separate video for my commission tier tab. This is the collateral deposit paid by broker. This is the KYC charges to be paid by broker. This is the rewards section. This is the final settlement. The minimum amount for settlement to be processed is $100. This is the KYC charges section.